Who are the people that make it happen? These are the people called CAM programmers and CNC machine operators programming parts at the machine. We respect these people, and our goal is to give them the best software they deserve to make it happen. ModuleWorks is a software company developing software for the manufacturing industry. And as you know, the manufacturing industry is a $16 trillion industry, and annually over $200 billion is invested in machines, tools, salaries of people running these machines to make the $16 trillion of goods where a CNC machine is involved to some extent at some stage of the production. So who are the people that make it happen? It's not the machine that cuts the parts automatically. These are the people called CAM programmers and CNC machine operators programming parts at the machine. And these people, we respect these people, and our goal is to give them the best software they deserve to make it happen. Because these are the artists and the hard workers that have the timeline pressure, that needs to produce accurate parts to the tolerance. They need to deliver at efficiency. They need to make it financially feasible for the manufacturing companies. These people are the experts and heroes. And we believe investing all our technology to make these people more productive is the way to go. And that's the reason why we work with almost all CAM vendors and most of the CNC manufacturers together to give them the best software to help them orchestrate the manufacturing.